Hey traders, TG Watkins here. It is November 2nd. Welcome to the new month. And also don't forget we have daylight savings coming up this weekend, so be sure to set your clocks again. Anyway, you guys can find me over at profitpilot.com, and we've got a fair amount of things to talk about today. The market is definitely up and hot, and what's the reason? Well, sure, we had the FOMC. That might have been part of it. But I've been looking at several macro conditions, and this is what I talked about at the Money Show, and we've been talking about inside of the Moxie trading rooms for a few weeks at this point. And one of them is that what I've been talking about, the TNX getting overbought here on the weekly chart. So, of course, we don't know exactly when it's going to work, but we can see today seems to be the trigger, maybe from the FOMC, whatever. But as you can see, we had price starting to... Let's get that. There you go. Starting to get underneath the hourly 50 here and then drop. And you can see the Moxie indicator has been below zero. And we finally got that drop. So I think that is what is adding to the fuel for the fire as far as the market going up today. But I also just spent a whole hour with the other traders, on the mic and saying, you know what? This is a great move. Love it. But also, we have seen this before. So I'm not going to be buying this rally. But I do know what I'm going to be buying, what I'm going to be looking for, and that's the kind of stuff that we're going to be dealing with in the trading room. I'm going to be spending all day today looking through stocks, starting to get an idea of what's out there as far as names that we can buy. I'll just kind of mention that if we look at some of these other names that have had earnings, we've been starting to see good earnings reports, or at least the market is reacting favorably to these earnings. So we have CMG, we have Palantir, we have AMD, we have Wingstop, and we even have Deckers. So there might be a bit of a change coming. We have seen this market being pulled back for 3 months, and maybe we're going to start seeing an end-of-year rally. So if you guys are interested, we're going to be putting on some trades coming up, and we'll see if this thing works. As I said, I just spent a whole hour talking live to the traders, showing them what I'm going to see if this market is going to work out to the upside, and what we're going to see if this market is yet just another bounce and a downtrend. All right, guys? So remember, we have a $7 trial for 30 days if anybody's interested. Otherwise, come on in and, say hi. We saw a lot of people at the Money Show, had a great time, and we'll see you guys there soon. Thanks again.
Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.